and welcome to Adventures Hours. I'm Vic, and once again we're here in the forest. Today we're gonna go and see another stone formation. There are plenty of them here in this region. This one is called Hohler Stein, which means hollow rock. Hohler Stein. Let's go, and Zia of course will lead the way. So we're just passing here at this small location. As you can see, it says Trinkwasserbehälter, and that means this is where they have a natural spring, and they collect the water here to bring it to the houses below. So all those who live here in the vicinity, they have the best and purest water to drink. It's the best tap water, natural spring water. We'll invite them. So, after quite a walk, we're here at the top. Very sad. You can see those dead spruces. They'll be locked down due to the bark bugs. And right here on the left, we should arrive at this Hohler Stein. There it is. That's the one. Alright, let's go down. Come on, Zia. There you have a hut where you can stay overnight for those who are hiking. Very nice view on the mountains. And this is the Hohler Stein. So here we are. Hohler Stein. I don't know why they call it the hollow rock. But as you can see, right up here, you can find sometimes climbers. Let's go around this one. Let's go down slowly. Yeah, has an easier time. She has 4 short legs, more stability. So here we go. This is the other side. And here you can see the sign. Naturdenkmal. Nature's monument. Okay, but I think there's another one right over there. We'll go there to see it as well. You have to find the path. You have to go back up this way and then to the right. Let's go. Come on. But now we are on the right one. Here's the path to this other stone. Just here on top. We're gonna have a look at it from both sides, of course. Oh, here's a nice view. Here we're on top of this other one. Careful, Zia. Don't jump. Okay, let's go down. To see it from the path below. As slowly as usual. Where it needs. And so now we know why this is called the hollow rock. Right over here. This is it. And that's the hollowness. Like a small cave inside. Stein. And as you can see, all made out of quartzite, white quartzite. So now you can see those rock formations. That's the big hollow stone, and beside it is the other stone. So here you can see this has been formed around 65 to 23 million years ago, made out of quartzite, quartz, that was formed in the ages where here we used to have a tropical forest. So one last time, a view on this Hohler Stein, and we're now going back to the car, another half hour walk, and then we'll go to another viewpoint. So on the way back to the car, we just passed this place. This was a former quarry, small now, big before. It was being in use since the 15th century. And here in this place, they used to dig for silver, copper, also iron, and manganese. So this was a very important quarry in those times, but now, of course, not anymore in use. Yeah, that's the leftovers, abandoned. Right here beside this incredible tree. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Nice information. Here, the other side of the quarry. Yeah, I really wonder. Maybe I can find some silver here. And have a look. Hello again. So after about a half an hour drive, we're now here at Neroberg. Neroberg is called in English the mountain of Nero. Nero was the Roman emperor in Rome that time, and here before we had Romans. That's why this place is called Neroberg. So we are now here on top of this small mountain. People come here in summer to enjoy and relax. Further down there's a nice view on the city. Here on top you can see we have the amphitheater, where sometimes they present even shows, Roman style. And this side, there is a view on the city. But the reason why we came here mostly is to see this. These here are natural monuments. Those are very old oak trees. Oak trees grow very slowly. And these trees, some of them are over 500 years old. Oak tree over here is easily over 300 years old. Oaks grow very slowly, have a very hard wood. This oak tree is over 500 years old. Really big. Here you can see how big this tree is. It's huge. This is a real natural monument. The beauty of the tree. Right here you have a leftover of an even bigger one. Maybe 600 years old, I don't know. Definitely a huge tree that was. Like to go inside? And this tree was on that spot over there. It was the mighty oak. Just look how gigantic this is. So yes, trees are also national monuments. We'll go down now just to have a small view. Okay, we came down, and for all of you, a view. And the city. Right here beside those big trees, natural monuments, you also have a man-made monument for the soldiers that have perished in the First World War, 1914 to 1918. You also have here some leftovers of some huge oak trees. Yes, trees don't live forever, even though they can live very long. Oak trees have a span of probably 600 years. The longest living trees are the sequoias, up to 1,500 years. Average trees probably 200 years. And right here we have a leftover, probably the biggest oak tree that was planted here 600 years ago. Now this is big. You can see this is just a half. When it was still alive, this tree needed a support, so it's not going to collapse. So you can see they put this inside. But time came, even that was not sufficient, and that was the end. It looks like a dinosaur. So we hope that you enjoyed this tour. Thank you for joining. Me and Zia will stay here for a while and walk around. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. And until then, don't forget, press now the subscribe button. Subscribe to Adventure is Ours. Bye.